Chinese Cultural Center. I really want to thank the chair, Ellen Lam, and our president, Angela Chen, for organizing this Canada Day celebration here at the center, and which is like a hub of diversity and multiculturalism. Today, we are celebrating the 158 years of existence of this great country we have all called home. Whether we came 100 years ago or just 100 days ago or a few days ago, this is a home to Canadians of different faiths, different origins, different heritage, but we come together as Canadians, and today is a day to celebrate that. We are going through very difficult circumstances in this ever-changing world. So much going on. Our sovereignty is under attack. We have a trade war which we didn't start, and it came from USA, but I am assured, talking to Canadians, seeing the way the Canadians have come together, that we will be able to fight back, and we will always be a sovereign country, and we will always raise our Canadian flag with pride. So let's get together under our Canadian flag, under the maple leaf flag, which brings everyone together. I'm an immigrant like many of you. I came here close to 26 years ago for a better future, in search of a better life for my generations to come. And here in Canada, in the last 158 years, we have built a strong nation. But more than ever, it is important now that we are even stronger. So that's why I'm really proud to be part of the government under the leadership of our Prime Minister Mark Carney, who is committed to building Canadian economy as one of the fastest growing economy in the G7, making sure that we give tax breaks to the middle class so that they have more money in their pockets to make their end meet, and we build some infrastructures with the way we have never built in this country. So Bill 5, which we passed, One Economy Act, will make sure that we build the big infrastructure projects here in this country so that we don't have to rely on, and we diversify our economy. There will be no trade barriers within inter-provinces, so that we are always one economy, not 13 economies. So let's stay connected. Let's commit ourselves today as we raise the Canadian flag to reflect on what we have achieved in the past 158 years, but what we as Canadians, as one nation, need to do in the coming days and the coming years. I know there will be challenges, but we will stay strong. Canada will always be a sovereign country, a true north, strong and free. Thank you. Happy Canada Day once again, and I hope all of you will have a great celebration today at the center. Thank you.